kain na. Wow! Nice necklace.
Mom, get me a necklace too. So when my birthday begins, I will have Mario racing car. But
Okay.
mommy, so when my birthday is done and they give me my present already, and we're going home, can you help me build it?
Kailan pa lang birthday mo?
Oh, my birthday, it's gonna take forever. Kali's birthday will start, and when I'm going to his birthday, all I will do is just spin a machine.
Anong gusto mo pala sa birthday mo?
I want to have a Mario building racing car. That's already built.
A Mario racing car.
Yeah, that's already built.
Ikaw, anong gusto mo sa birthday mo, Mayumi?
Everything.
Baby Finn sa'yo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bebe toy that has racing car. Yeah. She wants Bebe racing car toy. But one already built. Mama wants a racing car.
Racing car for you. Si Chico daw, Super Mario daw sa kanya eh. Ilang taon ka na pala? You're turning how old?
10 na.
10, hindi oy. 4 ka man ngayon. You're turning 5 pa lang.
Oh. Mommy, look.
Saan ka mag-birthday? Ikaw, saan ka mag-birthday? Ha? Saan birthday mo? Ganda ng necklace mo. Oh, show me your necklace eh. Wow, ganda ng necklace ni Mayumi. May flower
Mommy, ito lang, Mom.
Saan ka punta? Your food not finished pa gani. Sino pa finish ang food mo?
Ay, Mom.
Ay,
My best Cara.
sino yan?
My best friend I met in
Akala ko sa classroom ka mag-birthday.
no.
Ay,
I want to go to the Sia water park.
Sa Aika? Sige.
And
You can choose lang 5 friends to go.
I want
Sino ang 5?
I want Cara to come. I want Cara to come. Cara, the one I met in Tiguna.
Oo.
She likes dancing.
Farah, sino pa?
Ashley.
Ashley, 3. 2 na lang. Bella and Asha di ay.
Asha. If I pick Asha, I can pick the friend there with the blue car that likes to go with me.
Sige. Hindi mo alam ang name niya?
I think her name was Isabella.
Okay, sige. Matagal pa man birthday mo, December pa. Kain ka muna.
Bella, then Asha, then that girl, then that. I don't think Jana's allowed to have that fun. Can I get 10?
Yeah.
Timothy, and for last of all, yeah.
Okay. You be patient ha, kay matagal pa birthday mo, okay?
7 years.
Sige na, ready. Kain ka muna kasi so you don't get sick ba? Maayong buntag, guys. Maayong buntag, everyone. Time check natin. Mag-aalas 9 ng umaga. Ngayon pa lang ako nakauwi ng bahay. Kaya nag-overtime ako ng trabaho kahapon. Nag-live selling ako ng mga damit na pre-love para sa aking mga subscriber at follower. At may mga nag-PM sa akin na magbili sila ng mga live. So, grabe talaga ngayon guys, no? Kay basta mga large, extra large, double XL talaga. Mas madali siya mabinta ba. Grabe, makita mo talaga yung stress eating ng tao ba. Ay, hello. Guys, diba sabi ko magkain kayo ng saging, kay sayang naman to masira. Wag ganyan! Wag ganyan! Ano na naman yan, Calvi? Chico, halika, upo na, kain na. Calvi, hindi na ako magtawag ulit ha. Ilang beses na ako nagtawag. So, ito na lang i-breakfast ko guys, saging. Jessica, Bani, kain na. Saging at saka mangga na lang yung kainin ko for breakfast. Kain na kayo. Magkain kayo ng saging kay masira na to. Sino? Oo. So, etong saging na to, senyorita, dala to ni Ma'am Shin galing sa bukid niyan. So, nahinog lang siya after 3 days. Pero, sira na yung iba. So, piliin na lang natin kung ano yung pwede. Ngayong araw, ako'y mag-check ng maleta. Sit down ka na. Harvey. I we're going to keep the food inside na. May nagdating sa Shopee, wala. Si Mayumi, konti pa lang nakain. Kailangan mo muna, fokusan mo muna. Anong, alala? Sino? Go, sit down now.
No.
Sit down.
No.
You wanna get mad ba?
Ma.
Sino ko, nakain na kayo, mag-keep na tayo ng food.
I want
Shit.
No,
Papapapap.
no.
Ito na lang. Yan mo siya makain. Yan mo lang. Chico, tama na yan. Daling nakain na.
Asa ganitong witch food?
Kabutang. Sige, nakain na.
Be careful, okay?
Be careful, okay?
Be careful.
Sino mag-careful? Si Bunny?
Yeah, dummy.
Dami you be careful. Kalbi, kain na Kalbi, please. Serve yourself na. Asa ng kanin lang?
Ito pa oh, hindi basa. Baka mawansas ka ng basa.
Ako, galit na ako.
Dito oh.
You almost killed my brain. You almost killed my
Kalbi, prepare your passport ha. I will only take kids who's listening. Bakod na ako ha. You don't want to listen, you don't come with me anymore. Take your passport and come with me only if you listen. Start eating. Now.
What?
Huwag yan, nagka-cross yan. Kanin please, kanin please. Finish up. I'm going to check the bags now. If you're not listening, I will remove your things in this bag. Tuna for you, ha? Tuna for you. Sana yung passport, be. Eat your food na. Get the spoon na. Calvi, sit down and eat with your brothers na. Si Chico talaga ang pinaka-challenging sa lahat. Ay, nako. So, mag-check na tayo ng laman ng bags. Laman ng bags natin. Kasi, palapit ng palapit ang araw ng pag-alis natin. Nabili ko to guys sa Shopee. Stand kasi nabasag na naman yung... Ito kasi yung part na lagi nasisira. Bumili ako ng bago pero hindi ko siya gusto kasi yan yun, nahuhulog siya. Hindi maganda. Ano siya? Cheap. Cheap quality. Na bumababa siya ba? Yung aking ibig sabihin. So, okay lang. Bahala na yan. Faulty pala siya. Ngayon ko lang na ano. Sana na-return ko siya, no? Nagababa siya, oh. Hindi ko alam paano siya ma-stop siguro. Ay, hindi mo siya pwede lagyan ng tape kasi pag nilagyan mo siya ng tape, Siyempre, nakababa siya. So, malaking problema na naman to. Pag ganyan naman kasi, nakababa talaga siya, guys. Okay. So, mag-check ako ng bag namin na inimpake. Saglit lang, guys. At ako kukuha ng ating mikropono. Okay. So, check lang natin tong ating mga dalang gamit. Hep. So, eto na yung nadala nating gamit so far. Eto pa lang yung aming na-empake kasi ayaw ko naman magdala ng mga damit na masyadong luma at baka mahirapan tayo pag masyadong luma na din. Ayoko din na magbili ng mga damit.
Is there
So-
something stuck in my...
Saan?
When I put like...
Sige. Warm ka muna water. Water with salt. Jess, bigyan mo ko dyan ng Jess, maligamgam na tubig na may konting asin. Hindi masyado mainit. Lagyan mo ng konting asin para maano niya. No, Chico, no. Go back. No. I'm not going to accept this anymore. Calbir, get ready with your backpack. I am only taking kids who listen.
Fine.
No, don't tell me fine. Don't tell me fine. I am not going to accept that, Chico.
Doing like this to you now.
It's okay, Calbi. Finish your food and we go. Ban, marumi lagi to, Ban, Etong shorts, bakit naka-impake kahit marumi? Etong orange. So, syempre wala akong pera, wala akong budget para mag-shopping. Lagay lang dyan, kay labhan lang yan ulit. Wala akong budget para mag-shopping. So, kailangan may damit na maayos yung mga bata. At kung may budget man ako para mag-shopping, hindi naman agad-agad kasi syempre kailangan pa nating i-check mga source of income doon sa pupuntahan natin. Kung meron ba akong magiging source of income doon. So, eto, I think kay Chico to. Isa. Dalawa. Tatlo. Tatlo, apat, lima, anim. Isang short. Kulang siya. Okay, sige. Pwede na to. Kulang ng 2 t-shirt na maayos si Chico. Kasi sabi ko kung ano lang yung magkasya dapat sa bag na to and then mag-wash and wear lang muna kami hanggang sa ma-figure out natin yung mga next natin na mga galawan. So, dito naman sa side na to kay Mayumi, meron siyang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, kay Mayumi, meron siyang 10 damit. Meron na siyang mga, niya dito, shorts para sa loob ng damit niya. Okay na din yan. Eto, medyas at saka underpants ng mga batang lalaki. Pwede na din yan. Eto naman, kay Calby to, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Si Calby din kulang ng 2 t-shirt. Lagyan ng 2 or 3 t-shirt.
Awa pa yan sila gimay ni Ma'am Jules.
Okay lang, hindi ko naman ibigay kay Ma'am Jules yan.
So dili niya.
Kung sino nauna, na siyang nauna, Janica Armicin?
Oo.
Or nag-message lang siya?
Message lang po. Wala na ako na-check sa...
Pakicheck na lang ako sa live.
sige,
Sa live
sige,
na lang
sige.
mag-base. Ay, i-check mo na lang yung comment. Huwag mo na panoorin yung live. I-check mo lang yung comment. Kasi priority kung sino yung nag-mine sa live mismo. Basta si Ma'am Jules, yung hindi nakasama sa kay Ma'am Jules is yung top na, yung pinakita mo bago lang, yung ganchillo na top, na 50 pesos, tsaka yung blue na skirt kasi may nakamay na nun, una. Then, may nakamay na din nung, okay, puntahan ko lang doon saglit. Basta, mga last minute packing ba? Minsan kasi hindi din ako makaisip pag masyadong malayo pa sa date yung pag-alis namin. So, ngayon kasi medyo malapit na yung pag-alis namin. Kaya, medyo malapit na yung aming pag-alis. Kaya medyo busy na din tayo. Ayan na naman siya mag-charge. Dito ba? Tayo. So, time check natin ngayon, 9:30 ng umaga. And it's already a busy morning. Pero I wanted to answer some statement from my last upload ko dun sa pagbubuli sa anak ko. Kasi merong mga nagsabi doon na, "Ma'am, bakit hindi mo na videohan?" Ganon. I wanted to talk about it. Etong pambubuli, guys, to be honest with you, hindi lang naman to nangyayari normally sa kahit yung ibang bata na hindi talaga pure-blooded na Filipino. But the cases or the instances are much more common kapag hindi Pinoy. Hindi mo naman nakikita na binubuli nila ng ganun-ganun yung mga bata. There's no, yung parang ini-equate sa something nakakatawa kapag yung bata ay iba yung kanyang, let's say, sa kulay ng balat. Okay? So, sa mga nagsabi sa akin na, "Madam, bakit hindi mo siya binidyuhan?" I was not there to take a video. To be honest with you guys. I was there to observe yung activity ng anak ko. Okay? Hindi ko number one inisip na, kukunan ko ng video to kasi kakasuhan ko. No, that is not the case. I know na I could have done something differently. I know I could have pushed for something more serious. Kasi nga, hindi lang naman ako ang nakarinig. Maraming mga professional yung nakarinig. And yes, wala silang ginawa, wala silang sinabi or anything like that. Or if kung meron man, it was not taken seriously. So, I just wanted to be very clear at that moment na kung hindi mo man to marinig sa ibang tao, sa akin maririnig mo to. Okay? I find it very stupid, to be honest. And I'm not going to apologize a word. For you, na you call yourself a professional or you call yourself an adult, right? For you to make a joke in expense of someone else. Not to mention na ang ginagamit mo para magpatawa o mag-initiate ng tawanan ay isang bata na walang kamuwang-muwang o hindi makakasagot sa kung anong ginagawa mo. I found that very stupid, embarrassing, just kulang yung word na unprofessional to be honest. But I tell you guys, I'm sure yung araw na yon hindi makakalimutan nung adult na napagsabihan ko. Kasi I really intended to tell him off in front of everyone else. If you can initiate something embarrassing in expense of a child, then you will be disciplined in front of everyone else. Kasi inulit niya Sa unang ginawa niya, nung unang sinabi niya yun, parang nag-ano lang yung tenga ko. So tinignan ko siya. Alam mo yung kalmado lang ako, pero I know na what he did was not wrong. So, nung una niyang ginawa, tinignan ko lang siya. Kasi na-understand ko yung situation ba. Ayoko naman yung biglang galit agad. Inulit niya. Nasa close proximity lang ako na sobrang klaro talaga yung sinabi niya. Inulit niya. Nung inulit niya pa, nilapitan ko na siya. And then I told him off. And I was I was happy of how I handled the situation, to be honest with you. Katulad nga ng sinabi ninyo, I could have handled it differently. So, merong mga nag-comment dito, kasi syempre, iba-iba naman tayo ng pag-handle, no? May mga nag-comment dito, sabi, ayan. Basahin natin yung mga comment ninyo. Sabi ni Ma'am Cheryl Oribal, so sad na ang mga matatanda or mga adult pa ang pasimuno sa bullying. Me, myself, ay naka-experience din kahit saan ako magpunta. How can we expect our young generation na hindi bully if yung mga matatanda ay bully mismo? Let's be more sensitive sa paligid natin. Spread kindness lang talaga. Like I said, sometimes kasi masyadong ang iba yung nagsasalita na hindi nag-iisip. Eto nga ako, hindi ako nagre-react ha, pero I would love everyone na nakikinig ditong video ko na to. And if up to now, ang tawag ninyo sa mga Africans or sa mga meron talaga silang citizenship no? So sa mga anak ko, they are Ugandans. Ugandan Filipino, they are half-half. Okay? But if you see someone with the characteristic of curly hair, dark skin, or black skin, they could be Africans or Black Americans, right? Pero hindi talaga tanggap na gumagamit tayo ng word na negro. So let us educate ourselves. There will be hindi naman makakasama It will not cost you anything to educate yourself, to know how to call people. Okay? Kasi 2026 na. In the end, you are just embarrassing yourself. Kasi hindi ako nagagalit. But I will look at you like, you have to know. You have to know. You address them properly. And if you don't know, libre naman ngayon mag-search, 'di ba? So, may nag-comment dito, Simply Mar, saludo ako sa pagiging strong single mom mo. Ang galing mo sa parenting, bullying at kahit saan. Hindi naman talaga magandang biro 'yon. At least pinagsabihan mo siya. Pinagsabihan ko siya and the next day, hindi na siya nagpakita. Pero pag nagpakita siya the next day naman, okay lang naman sa akin kasi I know whatever I told him will actually stick to him. You know? Hindi sa lahat ng oras you can get away with it. Some people will stand up. Some people will tell you off. At talagang nag-apologize siya in front of everyone. Kasi talagang sinabihan ko din siya in front of everyone. 'Di ba? What he did was wrong. What he did was clearly mali talaga. Then, sabi ni Ma'am Eunice Reyes, kahit saan may racism talaga. Kung aware si Mr. Yiga na nagpapatayan sa South Africa, dahil pinapalayas nila ang mga immigrants sa bansa nila, mas ligtas pa din ang Pilipinas when it comes to racism. Totoo naman talaga kahit saan may racism. Huwag natin sabihin sa third world country lang, no? Kahit saan meron. Kasi in the end, it's about the character of the person naman. Hindi naman yan tungkol sa kung gaano kayaman ang lugar nyo, gaano kayaman yung bansa ninyo, di ba? Then sabi ni Ma'am Laida Visus, enroll the kids in martial arts but teach them to prioritize peaceful resolution and to report bullies to adults and authorities. That's right. Kasi ako guys, basta mga bata, alam ko malakas talaga ang kapit natin. Mga bata, mga babae, malakas ang kapit natin sa law. So, I know as I was teacher kahit sa labas naman ng Pilipinas, 'di ba? I know napakalakas ng law. Basta mga bata yung concern. So, I am hoping na hindi maulit yung ganon. Kasi if ever it happens again, malalagay talaga sa sobrang alanganin kung sino man yung involved. Kasi talagang, ako talaga I will not back out pagdating sa mga anak ko. Kahit saan tayo umabot. Barangayan man, policeman, kasuhan man. Kasi you have to learn. Yung ibang mga bagay, pinapalampas ko pa People make mistakes Pero yung mga ganyan, lalo na pag inulit mo pa, isang beses, inulit mo pa 2 beses, hindi ko siya papalampasin talaga. So may nag-comment dito, you should report to the school supervisor daw. Hindi ako nag-mention kung saan yung area na nangyari yon. But what I'm trying to say is, that things should not happen. Those things should not happen. And I take them extremely, very seriously, to be honest with you. Ayun. So, may nag-comment din dito. As a nanay na may anak na may ASD, ito yung pinakatatakutan ko na mabully yung anak ko na neurotypical kid. Lalo na dito sa Amerika, maraming bullies. Tapos di ko pa alam lahat ng mga nangyayari sa school. Non-verbal pa yung anak ko, hindi makapagsumbong. Imagine, a lot of people are actually going through something worse. But, sometimes there's nothing we can do kasi we have to put them out there. We have to put them out there. We can only hope and pray na whoever is around our children are good people. Yun na. Ako, pinagpe-pray ko lang naman yan talaga lagi. Pinagpe-pray ko lang yan everyday. Anak, you cannot breathe. You cannot breathe.
I did.
What happened? Speak, tell mama what happened.
Mama.
Bakit? Ano nangyari pala?
Booger.
May booger? May bubu.
Yeah, for right burger.
I'm sorry po. Are you okay now? Are you okay now?
No.
Shower ka na. Ligo ka na. Hali na, go na. Ligo na tayo.
Oh, is this mom?
That's my wire for my charger. Ligo ka na, dali na.
Have you like this one no? Broken no?
Broken, no? Saan ang kotse ko?
Here.
Saan ang kotse ko?
Here.
No, ayun, no?
You know? Will you broken no, mommy?
Broken na yan.
Yeah.
Ligo ka na, kay mabaho ka na.
Wee.
Meow. Meow. Ligo na, ligo na. Ay na.
Uy, yummy.
Yumi yan.
Yeah, yummy.
O, ligo ka na.
Mommy, shower here.
Oo.
Yay. Shower.
So, ako din kailangan ko nang mag-impake ng aking mga damit. Kasi, wala na akong panahon. Yes, anak, shower ka na dyan. Take off your clothes na.
Yes.
Take off your clothes na.
Yes. Mom, watch this. Look how many points I get.
Here, medicine,
2 points.
3 points. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Oh,
Sige na, sige na.
3 points. I got 3 points, Mom.
Oo.
But I got 3 points.
Sige na, sige na.
Meron si Calby yung medicine.
Calby, take your medicine.
Wait, it was 4. 1, 2, 3. I got 4 points.
Kailangan ko mag-declutter ng mga damit at the same time, kailangan ko na mag-impake ng damit.
3 again.
Kasi, wala na akong panahon, guys. I have to take the kids. Kailangan ko nang dalhin yung mga bata para pagupit ng buhok.
Your mommy shower?
O, sige na. Shower na kayo.
Yes. I got 6 points.
Sorry, Mayumi. Andito pala yung belt, oh.
What belt?
Ako managtupyan.
Where's my bundle?
Anong medicine yan?
That's it on the dice. Mom,
Ligo na, Chico. Ligo na.
wait, you need my dice.
Chico, ligo na.
Where's my dice?
Ay, hindi ko alam.
Yeah, I found it. Where's the belt? Honey, come on. Hey, how you doing there?
So, marami akong gagawing trabaho ngayon, guys. By 1 p.m., kailangan ko nang mag-report sa shop kasi magla-live selling tayo ngayon.
Yummy.
So, kahapon guys, I went out with a friend. So, if you guys have been watching me for quite some time, hindi ako talaga masyadong maraming kaibigan na yung minimit ko talaga ng personal kasi I keep my circle quite small. So, other than vlogging na lagi kayo yung kasama ko, I always check my circle of people. So, kung minsan nakikita niyo ako kasama yung mga kapatid ko, kung minsan nakikita niyo ako kasama yung mga staff ko, but I have very few friends na I feel like I learn from them. Okay? And yesterday was a quite special and productive day. Kasi bukod sa ang dami kong na-process, I ended the day with a simple dinner catch-up. Parang mom date, dinner date, parang ganun, no? So, it's good to always do that. Go out, be with other people, mag-calm down, mag-relax, diba? Kumain, mag-update about sa ganap sa buhay, and to talk with someone who is not judgmental about whatever yung mga iniisip mo sa utak mo. So, yesterday, we had a very interesting conversation kasi let's talk about love love life. Ano lang to, mga random lang namin to na thoughts as mommy, girl mom, ganun. So, meron siyang na-share sa akin. Sabi niya, na napanood niya daw sa isang channel or sa isang video na may nag-survey. And then, yung surveyor, lalaki, tinatanong niya babae, would you ever date or marry a man who is earning less than you? Okay? That's the question. Very interesting question. So, hindi ko alam kung anong sagot ninyo, or you can say your answer down below. Kasi ako, I have my certain thoughts then about that, knowing na I have experience in failed marriages, no? So, again, the question was, would you ever date or marry someone who's earning less than you? Hindi ko lang alam kung yun ba talaga yung exact words, but I think the idea was there. And the girl, without any hesitation, answered, no. Okay? Sabi niya, no talaga siya, guys. Nag-no talaga siya. Alam niyo bakit? Ano niya? Bakit nag-no siya? Sabi niya, kasi, kung hindi niya daw kaya, alright? Kung hindi niya daw kaya, or hindi niya pa na figure out, okay? Yung, I don't know, yung income niya, maybe streams of income niya, o yung kanyang sources of income, na talagang very stable or very good, I don't know, it's quite broad, diba? Pero siguro, ang sinasabi ko is hindi siya ganun ka-stable financially. Siguro yun yung thought natin doon. Again, palitan natin. Will you ever date or marry someone who's not financially stable? So, ang answer niya doon is no. Okay? Kasi ang sabi ng babae, if he's not financially stable, now, na nagde-date pa lang tayo and you cannot actually organize your finances to that point na maging stable ka, then how are you going to do it kapag may family na? Okay? Yun ang sagot. Yun ang sagot niya. And then, I laughed kasi normally the old me would say no, 'di ba? No talaga kasi tama naman talaga siya. Pero coming from unexperienced me from failed marriages, 'di ba? How could I say this? Parang case to case basis. Parang gano'n, no? Kasi if you guys could remember, ang papa ni Kahil, he was earning well nung magkasama kami. He knows his finances very well. He is okay with finances. I wouldn't say very, very organized kasi we met when I was still young, 23, and he was 26 or 27. But it was not the only factor of marriage. Okay? It was not the only factor of marriage. I don't want to go back there kung ano yung reason ba't kami naghiwalay. But if you guys followed through my story, you know the reason bakit kami na-fall out ng papa ni Kahil. Let's go to my story with Mr. Giga. Mr. Giga is very okay with finances. He has multiple streams of income. He has a very productive mindset. He has a very productive mind. He knows how to double money. Alam niya lahat yung mga yan. But then in the end, he has that quality. You know, he was financially okay. He knows how to take care of the finances. He has multiple incomes. But then, still, hindi pa rin nag-work yung marriage namin. Okay? Hindi pa rin nag-work. Kasi, in reality, with marriage, it's different. Hindi ko lang alam kung pinaglalaroan ka ba ng tadhana when they actually say, you cannot have a perfect partner or a husband or a wife. There would always be something na hindi man siya ganito, pero ganyan siya. Okay? Hindi man siya magaling talaga sa pag-initiate, paano ma-double yung income, pero he's a hands-on husband, hands-on tatay. He has emotional intelligence. He connects with you and the children emotionally. Pero hindi siya kasing grabe mo when it comes to financial aspect. Let's say, ikaw yung grabe mag-multiple ng income as a woman. Kung meron ng lalaki siguro na, I mean, that is a big possibility. I don't know if you guys can understand, no? Pero what I'm trying to say is, in real world or in a marriage world, you have to lose some to win some. You cannot win everything. Yun yung aking pinaka-point. You cannot have everything you want in one single plate. Kung turuan si Chico, si Calvi si Chico naman. So, ang module ni Chico ngayon, para sa pagiging lawyer at superhero, ay tracing the lines. Oh, galing ah. Wow. Alam niyo, nagturo sa kanya si Tito Kikit niya noong mga araw na pinalayas ko si Chico. Hindi ako ang lumayas. Si Tito Kikit yung tumayong tatay. So, siya nagturo kay Chico paano talaga humawak ng lapis, magsulat. Wow, good job, Chico. Try to be on the line lang, ha? Okay lang. Ay, hindi man yan perfect, pero okay lang. You will get better, ah. Bakit ka nagaganyan?
Trying to remove the scary things in my brain.
What is the scary thing in your brain pala?
Monster.
So superhero ka man. You will fight man the monster. May balon ka? Magawa ka ng balon today?
I want to have a balloon so I can blow it myself.
Okay, tiyan nyo siya, guys.
But the golden balloon that I can have.
Backless. Sige. Okay, you can handle. So, ngayong araw siya ay... Who's your superhero today? Sino? Black Panther pala. Pero tingnan nyo, guys, second hand lang kasi to. Mga second hand lang kasi sa ukay-ukay itong nabili ko. Tingnan nyo. Sira na yung kanyang ano sa likod. Pero okay lang kasi nilalagyan ko lang ng ganito. Pero never nagreklamo si Chico sa lahat ng binili ko sa kanya na superhero. Never mo siya maririnig magreklamo na ano man to mami, sira man to. Ano man to mami, pangit man, walang ganon. Lahat ng binibigay ko kay Chico, masaya yan siya. Tsaka nagpapasalamat siya kahit na ganyan. Kasi dito lang naman sinusuot sa bahay, laro-laro niya lang. Pero malapit na hindi magkasya. So, saan ang wave yan? Kaya mo yan, nak. Maliit lang yan. So, eto siya kasi parang velcro style. Hindi na nagadikit yung velcro niya. Kaya parang naging backless. Wala pang brief yan eh. Hindi ka nag-brief, no? Tapos gilagyan ko na lang ng alpeler. Alpeler pa ng lola niya. Ano ba yan? So, sa Sunday na tayo magpagupit ng buhok para gwapo kayo sa airplane, no? So, the airplane people will say, wow, you are handsome, boy.
I'm gonna hide.
Bakit ka mag-hide?
Because I don't want anybody to see me.
Bakit?
Because I don't want to show
What if they want to give you some sweets?
What if they want to break my teeth and then if they give me sweets, I'm gonna eat. How about I eat the bubble gum? And I
Wait
eat
lang.
all the
Wait
bubble
lang.
and keep some for later.
Bubble gum talagang ibigay nila sa'yo? Sige, go.
Tell them to give me bubble gum.
This one is a little bit difficult. Ready, go. Kailangan nagupitan yung mga kukunin nyo. Try your best lang. Try your best. Try your best. Wow. Wow, good job. Okay, next. Ang isang electric fan, pakilabas ako, ha. Sa likod ng salamin, tapos na. Kuha ka lang ng tabo na may shampoo at tubig, tsaka yung Chamois na ano. Try to stay on the line, Nak.